Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean your lenses on your headlights. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prep it, what you're gonna need to clean it, and I'm gonna show you guys before and after. So stay tuned. This is your boy from Trendso Media, man. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. I always got something good in the bag coming at you real fast. Peace. So let's just show you what you're actually gonna need. You're gonna need some toothpaste, Colgate, preferably some white toothpaste, a little soap and water with a little sponge, absolutely some paper towels to wipe it all off when you get done. And when you finish up, just a little bit of old glass cleaner. So after you lay your toothpaste on, you basically take your sponge with your water, lather it up in small circular motions. Take your paper towel, wipe it off, and this is how they should look after. I'm talking about you can almost see inside there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how you clean your headlights on any vehicle. It's your boy from Trendso Media. Hope you guys like it. Hit the like button. Peace.